There is an electric pole existing there. So when the department approaches the PWD department approaches the MECL, MEPDCL, they say you have to pay for it. Now the question is, you need the road to be widened. So is it the responsibility of the department or the individuals residing on the road to pay for the shifting of the poles, or it is the duty of the MEPDCL? That is what I call.
Sir, it is the duty of the concerned, maybe I should say, individual or the concerned department. Sir, I just wanted to narrate on this issue. As far as developmental work is concerned, be it PWD, be it PHE, and then be it other related department, when it links to shifting of utility, in fact, instruction has been given to the government. Those concerned departments, they need to also include the shifting utility estimate. Once the estimate is prepared, make sure that the utility shifting estimate has also to be incorporated. So once the sanction is there, we don't have any more problem on this. So this one, sir, in fact, from the government, we have already decided, and we have already instructed all the concerned departments to also include the provision of shifting utilities.